Mateo and Kayla.
Actually, yung
Video
experience niya, narinig ko din yung story niya. Ang dami na rin yung pinagdaanan. Meron siyang dalawang anak. Sabi nga po, children is a gift from God. So,
Big
never
one.
po naging dehado.
Bakes. Whoa! In this video show, we are already having the war. The war that Kayla and Mateo have. The babies, kitties have grown up.
Okay, first of all, I believe that there is advantage and disadvantage in everything in this world. But I'm not going to talk about the disadvantage because we are young, right?
This is the day where some new things come. Big fairies, evil fairies, good kitties, and romance, and good fairies. So Kayla and Mateo have their changement. Now, please watch it in 3, 2, 1, go. What's new, guys? What new for us is What is this?
What Victor said. Pero maliban doon, para sa akin hindi siya dehado. Una sa lahat, wala namang masyadong pinalaman yung pagkakaroon ng anak doon sa makikilala niya. Though malaking factor doon. Pero para sa akin, mas gusto kong tumingin sa bright side. Parang wala siyang kakulangan. Actually, she has more to offer kasi meron na siyang anak. So parang di ba mahirap mag-alaga ng bagong baby. Pero siya, pinalaki niya, siya na yung naghirap para doon. Tapos ako, I mean, the man who will love them, parang mag-e-enter siya and will take